Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so here we are on page 38, Habits of a Successful Beginner Band Musician, 163. Okay, so that is a good exercise in repeating, but also in getting down to those lower notes. Southwest Saga 165. And they're getting us used to the 8th note, followed by the dotted quarter. Ba 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 ba. Although in this case we're in 3. Ba 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 da 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 da. Here we go. All right, cut that out, and here's 165 again. There we go. Got so used to that syncopation rhythm that it was throwing my timing off there. 166. Ooh, let's try that again. All right, and 4 up, 4 down, 167. Getting sharp. All right, hopefully the microphone is picking that up properly. So that's always been an issue with the recording, that I have a USB mic that I picked up from Radio Shack. It works well enough, but it's not pro level. Try that one more time. There we go. I did an A flat for the C that first time through, so I had to go back and fix it. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.